Welcome to Trinity Motorsports, proudly serving Pooler, Georgia with custom truck upgrades done right. This is a 2025 Ford F-450 Platinum, and from the factory, it's already an impressive machine. But we knew we could take it a step further. We started with a premium ride leveling kit from ReadyLift Suspension, giving this Super Duty the perfect stance without sacrificing ride quality. Then we upgraded the suspension with Fox 2.0 shocks, built for durability, control, and a smoother ride, no matter what's behind the hitch. To finish the bold look, we installed 22-inch wheels from Dually Design Company, with the black finish providing the tough styling the customer was looking for. And wrapping it all up, 37-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires, offering the aggressive tread and all-terrain capability this truck deserves. Now, it's not just built to tow and haul, it's built to turn heads. Whether you're rolling into a job site or pulling up to a show, this F-450 is ready. Trinity Motorsports, custom builds, premium parts, and the kind of detail that sets your truck apart. Let's talk about what we can build for you.